Hello friends, myself Dr. Sangram Savargave, Associate Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering at AP Shah Institute of Technology, Thane. Friends, I have prepared this video as a part of FDP, Environment and Sustainability. Friends, today I want to highlight few points regarding environmental awareness so that sustainability can be achieved. As per As sustainability is concerned, we need to understand the concept and apply in real life. One need to be very clear about the environmental aspects. So in the beginning, one should have the knowledge of environmental awareness at various levels. Living things, earth, air, water, natural and artificial resources. We need to gather the knowledge of all these parameters. The next, we need to have knowledge of environmental laws. What are the environmental laws? Different environmental laws are there. We need to study them thoroughly. Then next is what is pollution? Then parameters which create pollution, how we can control the pollution or how we can avoid. We have to focus on this also. Then next is various types of waste and waste management techniques. We have to get the knowledge of these parameters also. The next, renewable and non-renewable energy sources. What are the renewable and non-renewable energy sources? That also we need to know. Then water resources, water usage, its management, then also the wastewater recycling. Then next parameter comes the planting the trees. We have to plant the trees on regular basis everywhere as possible as then various types of fuels and their optimum utilization. We have to think about this parameter also. The next point is resources available on the earth, their uses, and is it sustainable. Then the concept of ecological footprint involves the study of resources. One need to get the knowledge of this parameter also, its requirement and the waste management for the population. If we care for the nature, definitely the nature will boost our life. The environmental protection awareness program in societies we have to carry out on regular basis, then display instructions messages at various places to make aware of electricity usage only when required, then biogas plant to make use of waste food, ETP plant to recycle the wastewater, supply and maintain water recycling system to increase the recycled water efficiency. Avoid the uses of plastic. Go green awareness campaign program must be conducted. Also, e-waste should be properly disposed without harming the nature. E-vehicle design and training should be provided to students. We have to motivate the students for doing the projects based on e-vehicle. Then social activities to create environmental awareness. This is how we are taking care of environment and to help achieve sustainability. Okay, so thank you friends. Thank you.